How to fix low camera brightness in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. And then from here, if you want to fix your low camera brightness, what you can do is that you can go to your settings. So from here, we can just click the three dots right here beside our profile picture. Then click on settings. From here, click on devices. From here, you can scroll down, then you can see your audio settings right here. Then you can see your video settings right here. So here I am in the video camera that I have. And then as you can see, the brightness is a little bit dark. So to fix that, what you can do is that there is an adjust brightness feature right here in Microsoft Teams. So you can just turn that on, and then immediately you can see that the brightness is turned up. So it automatically adjusts the brightness depending on the quality of your video. So if you don't want to use that, you can also manually change your brightness. So for example, I can click open camera settings. Then from here, this window will appear at the left, and then there will be an option right here for brightness. So you can just go ahead and adjust the brightness right here manually. So if you want to darken the brightness or if you want to brighten the brightness right here. So this will depend on your camera. So you can just go ahead and manually adjust the settings right here to see what works with your camera. Then once you're done, you can just click apply and then click OK. And then I'll just move this back to the default so that it's okay. And then right here. And then that is basically it. So now, once you're done, you can go ahead and go to a meeting and see if your camera is correct. And then if you have the correct uh, quality of brightness. So for example, let's go to Teams. Oh, sorry. Let's just go to calendar. And then let's go ahead and create an instant meeting. So just click meet now, click start meeting. From here, we can click join now. And then we should see the camera right here. So just turn on the camera, and then now you can see the brightness is correct, and then we don't have the low brightness anymore. If you are already inside the meeting, you can also turn on the adjust brightness feature right here. So just go and click the open video options right here, and then click on more video effects and settings, and then click on settings, and then from here just turn on adjust brightness. So the only difference is that you cannot change the manual settings for adjusting your brightness as what I displayed earlier when we go right here to the device settings before we join a meeting. For example, this one, the open camera settings, is not appearing inside of a Teams meeting. And then that is it. So you can also use avatars right here if you want, or you can use some different video effects like blur or like virtual backgrounds right here. But that is basically it. So that is how we can fix low camera brightness in Teams. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.